So here's my setup with the Imploder. I attached it to a step down, so we have pretty high water pressure here, and then the Imploder, and then a Y splitter, and I've got this timer set up to go to my my garden. I have 4 different irrigation zones, and then that other one will be used for a hose. It's anecdotal, but I believe that just within a few days of starting to use it, I noticed that at least this bed of greens is just a different color, like a more vibrant color, almost imperceptible, but it was there. Maybe perhaps it was an energetic glow. Again, just within a few days of starting to use the Imploder. So here's the front yard. I got a second Imploder, and I basically connected, again, the quick release fittings to them. So now I can move this in between different areas. For now, I'm actually putting it in the shower as well. But when I want to hand irrigate the front yard garden, I can just pop this onto the end of the hose here. So I've got a quick release. I can do this with one hand. There we go. And now I've got a magic wand of imploded water. Away we go. And I'll work on maybe the next Imploder I buy, rigging it up to this system. But as you can see, it's a little more complex, so that's why I decided to go ahead and just put it on the nozzle point of use for now. And here's the final application. Same wand, magic wand, and I just have it hooked up to the shower. So I've got a 20-stage shower filter, and then this is actually a water vortexer, which is filled with 51 ball bearings, and so the water, is sort of supposedly moved back into its natural shape. So this is what I had before I got the Imploder, but I figured it probably wouldn't hurt to have both. So yeah, so now I've got shower water technology, imploded technology, and definitely feels different to shower in water that's been imploded.